Hey guys, Mr. Carpenter here. We're going to look at how to solve this function. So when we're given a function with an input, all that we're going to do is take that input and put it in for the variable. So our variable here is x. So we're going to take our -2 and put it in for x there. All right. So this would be g of -2 equals -4 times -2 minus 4. Okay, so x is our input, -2 is the value given, so we put the value in where the variable is. Okay, so they've told us what x is. Okay, so now I'm going to say, well, -4 times -2 is +8, and I'll bring my -4 down. All right, so -4, bring it down. 8 minus 4 is 4, so I know that g of -2 equals 4. Okay,